Well, good morning, everyone. Or actually, good afternoon, everyone. This is Sunday afternoon, and welcome to Craft. Now, today, I am going to oil some coasters and talk to you. Sorry that you can't see my face, but it's literally above 100 something Fahrenheit right now. And I had to remove the shirt. Anyhow, so I want to talk to you about what's the plan for next week, because I still have to set up the shop and I still have a bunch of things to do. Meanwhile, you remember the coasters we did in the previous episode for Adam. I have sanded it to 180 grit, both sides, and I cleaned it up a bit. And now I will apply tung oil, pure tung oil on it to seal it and keep it food safe. Okay? So, what's the plan for next week? Next week, I will have electricity in the shop, hopefully. I should put another glove on, just to be safe, because this is sticky. So I'm trying to sort out electricity in the shop, and I have a bunch of tables and bar tables and stuff which are arriving, which I ordered. They are pre-made and I didn't make them, but I will probably pimp them up, do some epoxy art on it or something. So expect a video on that. I will do an episode 2 on the shop, probably when I have like a half an hour worth of material on it. So I don't know, it's maybe Tuesday, maybe Friday, so that is coming next week. I'm going to do some more trays, but I've done them before. So these are going to be the black oak tray, and some other stuff. But if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments, because I can make another video on how I made the black table or black green oak tray. And it can be a little bit different. I can talk over it this time, and we can have a chat and conversation and answer questions and stuff. So we can do that. Just let me know in the comments what if you want to see that or not, because if I'm doing it, I might as well film it and talk to you guys. Might as well hang out. Now, sadly, I am not able to do a live stream tonight because my wife has to teach, and she's a teacher and she's teaching online. And I don't want her to have a disrupted bandwidth because of my live stream, because frankly speaking, her job keeps us afloat and her job pays the rent and shit, so she deserves the priority access to our internet. Sorry about that, guys. Hopefully, my ideal picture of this is that once I have the shop and once I have internet in the shop, we can have the Sunday night live streams from the shop, which would be awesome. And just give me some time to set everything up and get everything in a working manner. Next week I'm also going to get the signs for the shop, and I will get an electrician in the shop too, just to make sure that I don't have loose hanging high power cables in the wall. And so that's basically what will happen with the shop. And we're gonna put things in and prep for the opening, because I told my wife to we need to open somehow. And she got very excited because she likes to organize social gatherings. Because as you know, I am awful with socializing because I have a potty mouth and I have a very, very specific way of talking to people. And sometimes it doesn't go well with the locals. No, sometimes it doesn't go well with the Western European foreigners who live here and who used to be our only friends on the island. The locals are fine. Greek people are lovely. Anyhow, I think you all know what I'm talking about. I'm not the 5 o'clock tea cucumber sandwich guy with the crumpets. I'm more like a let's grab a beer and talk shit about our government guy. But hey, everyone to their own, I guess. Anyways, I am also going to figure out how to... Oh my god, a lemon fell from the tree and I have lemons like this size and it scared me. Anyway, so next week I'm going to figure out how to pack coasters properly for an international package, and if you guys want, we can make a video on that too, because these are what I'm making right now. Once they're done, they're going to go to Adam to Texas, which is literally the other side of the planet, and I want to make sure that it arrives safe and sound. So if you guys want, we can make a video on that how to pack it nicely and neatly, and what is acceptable in international postage or something. I don't know, if you guys want to see that, we can do that too. I'm like, if I'm doing it, might as well film it, and might as well just talk about it. There's just so many things we can do. Anyway, so that's the plan for next week. Sorry that I was a little bit AWOL this week, and because I usually, I put out a video a day or something, but this week I had amazing friends over, and I wish they would stay longer. Shout out to Nikki, and I will miss you, and I hope you're gonna make it back as fast as possible here, hopefully with your parents. Anyway, so yeah, we were hanging out. I was exploring the beach. I got like 2nd-degree sunburns and stuff, but now I look like a Greek. Anyway, not gonna do face cam because I'm sweating like a whore in a church. You have to trust me on this. Anyways, so that's it for today. Okay, I would like to ask you to leave in a comment if you wanna what you wanna see next week. If you have any idea regarding the shop setup, what are you interested in? If you're setting up your own shop or something specific you wanna see, or just keep me posted. So let's use this video for what should we do next week. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Sorry for the short video. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your weekend, and I see you guys next week. Bye bye.